Now I know the reason Manchester United lost the FA Cup final against Manchester City. It was because Maguire did not play that match. Yes, if Maguire had played that match, Manchester United would have won that match. Manchester City would have not scored any goal at all. Because he came back to tell us that he is the only one defender that knows the weakness of Haaland. That he knows how to hold Haaland, that Haaland will not be able to do anything. Harry Maguire. Harry Maguire that plays for Manchester United. Anytime Manchester United is playing with Harry Maguire, it's like they're playing 10 to 11, 10 against 11. If the opponent fails to score, Harry Maguire will either help them to assist a goal or he will help them to score the goal that will make them win the match against Manchester United. And now he has come back to tell us that he was the only defender that knows the weakness of Haaland. My brother, I pity your life. From the way I'm looking at you now, the way they are releasing players, where they will release you to, that's the problem. That's why they have not announced your own. Because from a reliable source, somebody told me that they are looking towards Eyimba of Aba. For Eyimba, they don't want you. You that say you can hold Haaland. The only thing you can hold, as the way I'm looking at it, is the cup of tea that you are drinking. Instead of me to go and look for another profession to do, maybe to go and farm or play golf or any other sport, you are sitting there telling Manchester United that you want to go and hold Haaland. Or better still, go for boxing. Because there was one football match I saw. The way he was fighting with Luxor. You must be very good at boxing. That will be the perfect sport for you now. You want to hold Haaland. A whole Haaland, somebody that scored over 30 something goals in the first debut in Premier League. You say you want to hold him, Mr. Holder. Please. I don't have time to talk about Harry Maguire because my daughter has told me that I lack sleep. Because of all this problem in this world, I need to be sleeping much more. He has told me to be sleeping 18 hours. I have slept 12. So I want to sleep the remaining 6 hours now. Harry Maguire, Mr. Holder.